Out of town trapping. About to hit this Goodwill up, see what we can find. Hey bro, let me hit you back. Yeah. Flip around, stretch a gang, cartel, you know we trap all day. Out here in the corner.
I'm addicted to the flip. Damn, gave my life to this shit. I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip. Damn, we interfering with my bitch.
Alright, flippers, I just pulled up at the Goodwill that claimed to be the Goodwill 2020 store of the year. That's a major claim. We out in NC with it. Let's see. What the hell this stuff in here? What the hell is this? Alright, we popped on Jay-Z Fade to Black. Jay-Z Streets is Watching 10th anniversary. I got this on VHS. We got Blast of Mars, Tom and Jerry. This is selling for like $12 pre-owned. Looking at these tees right now, man. We just came across a Nike Good Do It. Look at this right here. I thought this was Pac-Man, but it's actually Black-Man. We got Money Plus Deluxe. That's $35. Batman. About good 15, 20, trap all day. This is actually brand new sealed. So we looking at $80. Trap all day. We got a good find right here, flippers. Y'all see that? Don't sleep on that media. Trap all day. We got a Toshiba external floppy disk drive. Y'all can see the prices, at least $26. And we got a kids eating cart or tray, whatever. Right here we got some Dorado boots. As y'all can see, pre-owned. We got sales at 80, 40, 40. Man, last time I bought some cowboy type boots like this, they sold soon when I put them online. I believe these gonna sell right off top too, cause if a girl came through in the room with these, boy, I tell you, she'll stop it. She'll stop it. That's them showstopper stompers. Controller, but $6, I am appalled. But I'm still gonna cop. Got some Air Pippins right here. Used, size 9.5. Y'all can see pre-owned, $85, $65. But only problem is these motherfuckers is talking. If you can see what I'm talking about. But $6, why not? I'm listening to that brand new music video, that Digitrappin. Y'all niggas check that shit out. Live on YouTube right now. Been uploaded for 3 hours. I think I only got 50 views, but I don't give a fuck. It ain't even about that. Just came across this Madden Collector's Edition 09 for the 360. It's missing 2 of the discs. It's only got 1 of the discs, which I think this probably would be the most important, which is the bonus disc. Because it looks like Head Coach 09 is missing and Madden 09. But looking at the prices, I can just probably sell the box without the disc. Because you know, we got some for $50, $49. And I mean, this is a football game, so you know, that's good price. $2, I'm a cut. Get my mom this bag right here for Mother's Day. Well, hold up real quick. It looks like it got a stain on it though. Let me check this out. Alright, I'm up in from Goodwill, trapping on Mother's Day. We got some peppermint chucks, some Celtic chucks, and then we got some J's, 12C, trap all day. Some little tight piggy banks and a Jamaican ball, $4. I don't really want to cop, but I got 1 minute left on this car. To cop these people, but we got the Terminator 2, IBM Chess Wars, and we got the Crusader. But the thing is, I didn't even see if they was in here, and also they messed the box up. Hopefully I can pull this tape off without ripping the artwork, because I can just sell the boxes by themselves, you know. Got some type of Adidas, they selling for about around $30, $40. And then we got this Mickey Mouse visor. This say summertime Disneyland all over it. Trap all day. And what we looking at right here is the complete Little House on the Prairie series. And as y'all can see, we got pre-owned $79. It's nothing less than $70 pre-owned for the complete series. I didn't go to sold listings, but let me check that real quick. Yeah, $70. Yeah, so I probably can get like at least 60 out of this, and this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $18. House complete season 1 and 2. I like them complete series. Now Dexter, this a good season. This is the first time I actually found a slip cover for the 3rd season. But this is a good series, check it out. I don't know about this. Alright flippers, I'm making this late night Goodwill run. They close at 9, it's like 8 something now. Sometimes they restock at night, so I'm hoping to get a little restock before they close. And I'm about to hit the road and head back home. About a 2-hour drive. Alright, so the guy came and restocked the shelves. I got some Jordans. I got some Huaraches. I don't know if y'all can see them Air Maxes. But I'm loaded down. Flipper World, Stretcher Gang, Cart Cartel. Stretcher Gang, Cart Cartel. Trap all day. Trap all day. Leaving out of Goodwill, man, we just pop on the acid shoes, man, Jordans, Air Maxes, all of that, man. So that's a tip, man. Hit them Goodwills late night. Sometimes they restock before the morning. Trap all day.
Living all this flipper talk, we ain't got a job. Retail arbitrage, if it profit, then we cop. Drop, ship a pack, never touch it like a boss. Battery on 10%, I'm trapping out the Ross. You can't be a flipper if you never took a loss. I done seen so many that the shit'll make you nauseous. Flipper.